In this video, we write a C program to understand the working of if-else statement. Here I will take one variable button and I will write condition. If button is equal to 1, then I want to print one message, printf, or let us say welcome. If button is equal to 1, then I want to print a message welcome. Otherwise, if button is not is equal to 1, then I want to print one message goodbye. And after if-else statement, I am writing one statement printf. This is end of main. By using this simple program, we will understand the working of if-else statement and how the control is moving between if statement, else statement, and also the remaining statements. We see how the control is moving. Initially, I will give some value. I will give value button is equal to 1. Then we run this program. Now I run this program, it is asking for file name. Okay, let us say if-else.c, or let us say if-else. So I am saving it as C file. Okay, now I will run this program. So it is saying that output is welcome and also end of main. We see how we got this output. Now initially button value is 1, that means button is equal to 1, 1 is equal to 1, that means the given condition is true. Then the statements in if block are executed. Now see here. Now the given condition is true. Why? Because 1 is equal to 1. That means now control enters into if block. We got output welcome. All the statements in if block are executed, and then control enters after control goes to execute the remaining statements after if-else statement. Then what are those remaining statements here? This is end of main. Likewise, if block is executed. Now we see another scenario. That's why we got welcome as well as end of main. That means if true block is executed, then else block is not executed. Now we see another scenario. Now we assume that button value is 0. That means it is other than 1. Now we run this program, we see what happens. Now we got output goodbye and end of main. Now we see how we got this particular output. Here what is button value? 0. If button is equal to 1, 0 is equal to 1, that means this condition is false. Then the control enters into else block. Then all the statements in else block are executed. Here there is only one statement, that is goodbye. So we got output goodbye. Once the else part is completed, then the control comes to execute the remaining statements after if-else statement. Then what are the remaining statements here? That is end of main. That's why we got output end of main. In this fashion, an if-else statement is executed.